So it's pre-market here. Things are looking pretty intense. I got my bad and bougie candle going, of course. But looking at the charts, ES seems to be moving a little bit to the upside. We're getting a really strong bounce on the 15 minute here. I do want to see a pop over the 50 period SMA. That is one of my favorite things to be using on a 15 minute. So there's a little bit of free game for you guys. 50 period SMA and a 15-minute chart. You will have fun. I do want to see that pop over. That's going to be coming right up into where we had that session low sweep on the 4-hour double bottom for the session low where it cleared that. And now we just created a new double bottom on the 4-hour from the overnight session. I'm going to start screen recording and we're going to do some live trading here so you guys can see what it's like to be in the pressure room with me. Yeah, this thing might keep going. I'm going to start adding a couple buys here. Just going to wait for this. Like very, very strong volume.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a couple buys here. I want to run a tight stop. 49.75 stop on this. Tight buys.
Order filled.
Adding more buys, adding more buys.
Order filled.
Push, push. 50.75 stop. Just in case it wants to reverse out. Looking for some strong push here. Push into 54.25. Gonna add some more
Order
here.
Filled.
54.75. Stops a break even. Push. Push. 54.75. Come on. Don't tell me you're gonna reject it right here. Push up. You're right there. Trailing up. Very nice. Took that. Took the profit on that. Okay, this is very strong momentum. Very strong momentum. Let's see. I want to start seeing a 1 minute rejection. Once we get that 1 minute rejection, I'm going to look for the shorts. We need to get a pullback into structure. There it is, starting to short.
Order filled.
I'm 3 in. I'm going to keep adding.
Order filled.
I'm going to keep my stops so fucking tight. 56.25, adding more.
Filled.
6 in. Keep these stops very tight here, boys. Very tight. 7, 8 in. Let's go. Trailing behind this. Trailing behind. Break even right now. Come on. There you go. Come on. Let it nuke down. Let it nuke down. Trailing behind this, boys.
Stop filled.
Took that. That's okay. We're back positive for the day. Gonna look to add more shorts here.
Order filled.
Gonna look to add more on this pop back up.
Order filled.
I'm 2 in. I want to keep a 56 flat stop here. Gonna keep adding on rejections. If it wants to take me out here, let it take me out. Gonna keep adding to these rejections. I want to see if we can get a pullback into 50.25. Keeping that 56 flat stop just in case. I don't want to give it too much wiggle room on this, but it needs to start rejecting and pulling back in. A lot of pressure coming into this push. A lot of volume.
Stop filled.
Stop me out.
Order
Selling
filled.
again here. Probably going to run stops right above that fucking wick.
Order filled.
Just adding into this dump.
Order filled.
Stops above the wick. Above that 1 minute tail and top.
Order filled.
Just keep adding
Order
as is
filled.
dumping. Keep adding as is dumping, boys. Stops at break even here. Adding
Order
as is dumping.
Order filled.
Trailing in behind this. Come on, you can push down. You can push down. There it is. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing.
Stop filled.
Taking right out there. That's okay.
Order filled.
Selling again.
Order filled.
Selling again. Let him try to buy it back up. Stops at 55.75 on re-entry here. Let's look for a pull into 39.50.25 here.
Order
Selling
filled.
again, selling again. Moving TP down. 49.25 here for the TP. Let it push through, selling
Order
again.
filled.
Putting stop loss at 53.50. Looking for continuation, push down. 53.50 SL, come on, push down. Push down. Might take me out, that's okay, I'm going to keep selling it. Come on. Come on, drop down. Get rejected, get rejected. 49.25.
Stop filled.
Stopped
Order
out, selling
filled.
again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Taking 5 right there. Gonna keep trailing
Order
this.
filled.
There we go, keep going. Stop losses at 53.75 here, right on that wick. Adding aggressively here. Come on.
Order filled.
Adding aggressively. I want to see it push down some more. There you go, trailing in behind this. Stops at break even. Keep going. Keep going. Let's see, I want to get a 50 flat.
Stop
Taking
filled.
out at break even, selling more here.
Order filled.
I'm 10 in. Doing stops up at 53.75 again. Let's go, baby. I want to see a 49.25 pull in here. There it is. There it is. Come on. Come on. It needs to continue down. It needs to. 53 flat on the stop. I might pull back up a bit. I want to see it continue here. Looking for 48.75. Looking for that 48.75. I need some continuation here. They're trying to buy it back up. That's fine. I'm still looking for a pullback in. Come on, 48.75. 48.75. You're right on it. Ding through it. Ding through it.
Target
There
filled.
we go. Target filled. Fucking no. Fuck it. I want to look for buys. Maybe on a 44 tap again. I'm going to look for a buy. Play to the upside. Going to start joining in here on some momentum. Stop loss at 42.75. Joining in on the buyers. I'm looking for a push back up into 48.50. I'm going to keep adding all the way into 44 if it wants to pull in.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, I'm 2 in here. 1 minute's getting rejected. 42.75 stops. Still looking for that 48.50 push. There we go. Trailing behind this, guys. Trailing behind it. Trailing behind on your long. 46 is my stop right now. Trailing in behind here. Looking for this beautiful continuation on the push up.
Stop filled.
Got taken out right there. Good enough. Good enough. At the 10 period, going to be selling here. Doing a 48.75 stop on the short. Looking for a pullback into 45. Might get stopped out on the short. That's okay.
Order
Adding
filled.
here. There we go. Come on. Keep rocketing down. Keep rocketing down. Trailing behind that. Trailing
Target
behind
filled.
that. Target filled on the TP on that short. Good scalp. Continuation to downside right here in this pattern. We got the bear flag on the 1 minute. Looking for continuation selling here. Aggressive selling. Stop loss 45.50.
Order filled.
Aggressive selling all the way for a pullback into the SMA on the 15. Looking for continuation to the downside. Gonna trail real tight here, guys. Real tight. If it wants to pop back up, let it pop back up. I'm looking for continuation. Right here. Boom. Come on. Nuke down. Nuke down. Looking for that 40.50. Should see a continuation drop. Break even stop. Looking for continuation.
Stop filled.
Stopped out at break even. That's okay. There's the continuation on it. Trailed a little bit too tight on that, but that's fine. Looking for a buyback on the 15 minute here on this pull-in. Going to start taking longs here. Look for a pull all the way into 38 if it wants to come down. Just going to start riding a couple longs here.
Order filled.
I'm 2 in. Stop loss 37.50. Gonna look for a TP back up into 45.25. Gonna hold to these buys right here. I don't want to add any more. I might look to get in a little bit lower if it stops me. Stopped out, buying right here. 2 in right here. 34.50 stops.
Order filled.
Adding more.
Order filled.
Adding more. Scalping to the upside here. 34.50 stops on that. Let's go. Push back up into 41.75 is what I'm looking for. Very nice. Moving stop loss 36.75 right under that 1 minute tail. Gonna let this ride out a little bit. I want to look for some bullish continuation off of this 50 period. If it wants to give me 2 handles, I'm gonna trail up into it. There it is, trailing up in behind it. Trailing up in behind this push, guys. Push.
Stop filled.
Okay, taking out at that stop right there, that's fine. I want to see if it continues downside of pressure. I'm going to sell right here. Taking sells. Holding on to these sells. Stop loss at 39.25 on these sells.
Order filled.
Adding more sells.
Order filled.
Adding more sells. I want to see continuation drop here. Stop loss break even on these sells. Trailing up and behind it. Good push down. Good push down. Great momentum on the sell. Lots of volume picking up onto the sells. Going to keep trailing in behind here. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Trailing in behind this whole move, guys. Very nice. Come on. Come on. Trailing in behind this. Let's go, baby. Buyers are going to start reacting.
Filled.
Taking out on that. We're up 133 so far. Doing $5 fucking trades. Come on. Whew. Whew. Jesus fuck. You should see my fucking screen. God damn, man. This is intense. Okay, I'm going to wait for some confirmations here. We got this 15-minute wick bottoming out at, what is it? 50.50. I'm going to push right into that 50.50 there. What is that? Yeah. Or 30.50. My bad. 30.50. I want to see the reaction on 30.50. Coming right into it. Good reaction off of that. I'm taking a buy right here. 30 flat stop. Taking a buy right here. Looking for a reversal back up into 36. Let's see what happens. If this thing wants to hold this little bit of bullish pressure, I'm going to go break even quick on the stop here. Break even stop. Looking for that push into 36. Nice extension right there. Nice extension. Come on. Very good, very good. Push it, push it, push it. It's right there. Come on, push it. It's right there. It's going to push it. Okay, going 36.75 TP on it. Let it hit. Come on.
Target
There we
filled.
go. Very nice. Very nice. Took that one right there and clean rejection back down. Okay, let's let another pattern build up here. I like what I'm seeing so far. 15-minute looking very weak, getting rejected off of this fucking weighted average. I think we're going to see some more continuation to the downside. I do want to see a pull back into 38.39. That's what I want to see. Pull back into 38.39. Look for some more shorts from there. I do believe that this thing is going to try to wick out this bottom that we had here at 31. It's going to try to wick out that bottom, and then it's going to get bought back up. See, it's pushing for that right now. Just got to be patient here. This is a crazy morning. Crazy, crazy morning. I want to start looking for some shorts here.
Order filled.
Taking some shorts. Gonna run a stop loss right at 36.25 here.
Order filled.
Adding into these shorts. 36.25 stop. I want to move a TP down into 29.25. I want to see if it'll pull back in. I'm going to trail in behind it if it wants to nuke down. But as far as I can see, this isn't looking very strong for continuation right now. Buyers are trying to take a little bit of control. It's sitting right into that buy block too, so we'll see what happens here. I do want to see another push back down, get some people in. Take on liquidity and flip to buy side. Okay, I'm going to trail to 33.25 for a stop. Last 1 minute topper. Let it take me out if it wants to.
Stop filled.
Yeah, stop me right out there.
Order filled.
Selling again.
Order filled.
Selling again.
Order
Selling
filled.
again. 35 flat stops here, looking to trail into this. This thing's gonna pull in. Yeah. Pull in. Pull in. Trail with it, boys, here. Trail with it. Trail with it on this clean break. Very nice. Continue down. Continue down. There it is. Just trail with this move.
Stop filled.
Taking out right there. Good enough. Good enough. Another little nibble for us. What was that? 2-3 handles right there. Fuck it.
1 hour later.
Filled. Stop filled.
Stopped out.
Order filled.
Drop.
Stop filled.
And that's it. Liquidated.
Order filled.
Liquidated. Just like that. Well, we did it. We managed to blow up the funded account. Everything was going decent this morning, and then we had the news come out about basis points, futures, all that. Market started whipsawing. We tried to take advantage of those moves. I kept getting into my shorts, getting into my longs. I would trail my stop, and I would just get dinged out. Market was whipping very fast. That's the reality of trading. So we're down pretty much 1900 for the day. The account is blown up. So it looks like we got to start again. And it's not a big deal because it's very inexpensive to trade funded accounts. But now we got to start all over from scratch. So it is what it is. Lesson learned. Try again. All right, so we're getting ready to go to the gym here. We just got to do cardio and abs today, and then in the evening we're gonna go back and we're gonna do some upper body. So I'm gonna try to catch footage of everything. But yeah, just took my Hydro Burn. If you guys don't know, is the fat burner that I use every single day. Take it on an empty stomach. I don't usually eat when I'm at home. I don't usually eat until about lunch every day, so I try to do intermittent fasting. When I'm at the rig, I eat 24/7. But yeah, I just want to make sure that I keep the abs while I'm at home. So anyways, we're going to the gym. We're going to get our workout in, and then yeah, we'll see what the day has in store.